Hi guys, this video we want to talk about the new hand forming system. When we started to think about creating a new hand forming system, we of course looked at the hand formers that are already on the market. We already know that we also have different substances or products we can use in these hand formers. So we need to think of solutions for you guys to perform at their best with the use of this machine. So some of the characteristics you can imagine is that it of course can hold a lot of air and compressed air inside. So it can perform longer with the conventional hand forming system. The ease of the use of this product is of course unfathomable, but there's a slight change we made to make it compatible with any kind of product. To create compatibility with different kind of foaming products in the hand former, we made a solution by the exchange of the nozzle. There are three types of nozzles. We have a green nozzle that can create a high foam with low foaming projects like Reggy Cox. We have a medium foaming nozzle for medium foaming products like Purifica, and we have a low foaming nozzle when you have a foaming agent or a foaming product that is already creating a tremendously dense foam. I filled up a liter of a dilution with Nebula 1:25. Nebula is a high foaming product, so I'm going to use the low foaming nozzle. Now to give you guys an idea of what the performance of this product can do, I'm going to pump it up to the max and make a full clip just to see how much you can cover with one full pump. Great to see that even with a low foaming nozzle, we can create a dense foam that latches onto the surface, giving the surfactants of Neve time to adhere to the surface, loosen up the dirt, and take it down with them. That's amazing. Just for one full pump to almost do one complete side of a car. Another high foaming product, Primus dilution, the same as Neve, 1:25. Let's see how far we can go with one pump. The content of the foamer with the dilution of 1:10 Purifica. Purifica is a medium foaming product, so I'm going to use a medium foaming nozzle. finally, a low foaming product, and we're going to use the high foaming nozzle. Revitax dilution 1 to 100. Everyone that knows Revitax knows that Revitax is actually not a very high foaming product until you up the dilution. Now, considering that we have a dilution of 1 to 100 with a low foaming product, just by the use of a hand foamer and the change of a nozzle, we can create a perfect foam to apply Revitax. One hand foaming system with 3 different types of nozzles. The nozzle for low foam to meet with Primus and Nebula. The nozzle for medium foam to meet with Purifica. And the high foaming nozzle to meet with Revitax. One hand foamer, 3 nozzles, 1 complete system. If you have any remarks, feedback, or suggestions regarding this product, please let us know right down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.